Okay, in this video, we're going to be going over lesson 28, which was the homework that you guys had just before we went virtual. So the first question is asking, Carl draws the square that has side lengths of 7 centimeters. Estimate to draw Carl's square and then label the side lengths. So you wanted to make a square and label the side lengths with 7. Since this side is 7 and it's a square, that means all the sides are 7. Okay, we're going to do what is the area of Carl's square. So for area, we multiply length times width. So we do 7 times 7. Okay, and for perimeter, you do all the area. So we can, all the sides. So we can do either 7 times 4, or we can do 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. Carl draws 2 of these squares to make one long rectangle. What is the perimeter of this rectangle? So for this one, we're going to draw the squares here, side by side. We're going to make them all be 7. So this one will be 7 and 7. Okay. And this is what your paper should look like before the answers. So I'm going to let you pause here if you would like to pause the video so you can go ahead and answer the questions yourself. See if you get them right. Okay. So in the first one, we had area 7 times 7, which you should have gotten 49. And since this is centimeters, we put square centimeters. Okay, for perimeter, if you did 7 times 4, you got 28 centimeters. Or if you added them all, you should have still gotten 28 centimeters. From here, this side would have equaled 14. And since we want perimeter, we're going to do 14 plus 14 plus 7 plus 7, which this equals also 14. So then if we add all these 14s together, don't forget to carry the 1, you get 42. Okay, here is the back of lesson 28 homework. So in this question, it's asking, Mr. Briggs puts food for the class party on a rectangular table. The table has a perimeter of 18 feet and a width of 3 feet. Estimate to draw the table. Okay. So we know it's a rectangle, 3 feet. So if one side is 3, we have a perimeter of 18. So if one side is 3, that means the other side is 3. So we're going to first add the sides we know. 3 plus 3, which equals 6. Then we're going to subtract our perimeter from the sum. We get 12. Since there are 2 missing sides, we're going to divide 12 divided by 2 missing sides, which gives us 6. So each of these sides are 6. So what is the length of the table? 6 feet. What is the area? So then here, we're going to go ahead and do 6 times 3, which gives us 18 feet. Oh, sorry, square feet, because we're doing area. Finally, Miss Briggs puts 3 of these tables together side by side to make one long table. What is the area of the long table? Okay, so we're going to put them side by side. Okay, This side is 3. This side is 3. And we have here 6 plus 6 plus 6. All right, so then this side will give you 18. So if we want area, then we're going to do 18 times 3. Okay, so this will give you, first do 3 times 8, which will give you 24. It's hard to do this video with one hand. All right, and then 3 times 1, which gives us 3, plus 2 more gives us 5. So 54, and we're going to put square feet. Square feet. I promise my videos will get better, but hopefully you guys got this homework right. Check your work.